These are your video instructions for the math test tomorrow. So you'll get an email that is exactly like this. Reading comprehension went smoothly Tuesday. I'm impressed with the responsibility of the students. Also, thanks to parents who helped out. Math should be the same process. I'll put this video here. What to do. So you have two options. The first option is to just use Google Forms. So click this link, go to the Google form, put in your email address and your name, and start answering questions. There's 13 pages. It's 20 questions. So it should be shorter than reading comprehension, but I do expect you to take your time on each question and really write out your process and make sure that your thinking is clear. Where did that go? There you go. Or you can print it, answer it on paper, and then fill in the form. Note: only do the first 20 questions unless you so you can also print the released test and then complete it there and then put the answers in the link. Heads up though, I'm only giving you the first half of the test. So if you want to do the whole thing because you're curious, then by all means, please do so. But it's only the first half that we're doing. So that PDF will be there. You'll save it and open it. I'm not doing that now because I already have it open. And you'll just see all the questions are here. So like I said, just do the first 20. You'll see there's some that like numerical response is called numerical response 4, but then it's actually this question that wasn't there. So that's a little bit confusing. Just make sure you're connecting the right answers to the right questions. And you just do that only up to question 20, which would be that question. But like I say, there's a bunch more questions, so I encourage you to do them. If you do, I'll give you the answer key and you can mark it, or we can mark it together and you can see what you would have got on all the questions. I just decided, partly because you have music tomorrow and partly because math tends to take more time than the other ones, that half would be just as good. Okay. And then accommodations, take as much time as you need. It should take between 1 and 2 hours. Make sure to take a few breaks between questions. You can use Read and Write Gold. Your parents could also read you the questions out loud. You can use calculators, scrapbook, notebook, whiteboard, spaces, protractors, rulers, normal test rules. As for my advice, again, try to have fun. If you let it, this can be like fun puzzles. You are already a success. Again, very few grade 6s are doing a test at all at the end of the year. So for you to opt in and volunteer to do it is really successful already, no matter how poorly or well you do. Do your best. This is, again, my biggest thing. I just want you to make sure to give your full effort on every question. Don't let yourself off the hook. Take a break. Take a snack break. In math, there may be one that you're just like, I just really have no idea. But try to think outside the box. Maybe you can get it down to 2 answers that make sense. Give yourself a better chance. Strategies like that all work. Ask me. Again, I'm online. Reach out and ask. I won't be able to cheat for you, but I will answer a normal question if you have it. And then strategies. Write down your steps, try other strategies, eliminate, use technology, estimate, think real world, rewrite the question, work backwards, guess and check, lots and lots of strategies. Okay, it's okay if you've seen a question before, but if you've seen it before, it's not actually the same question. So make sure that you're using the information on the test. I've used a lot of these ideas to write a different question. So don't be tricked thinking you already know the answer. You probably have seen a similar but different question. If you achieve a higher mark than your course mark, then your highest mark will count towards your grades. And I'll give you your mark and some feedback the next time we check in. So that's it. Good luck. Do your best. Enjoy.